Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. We're going to look at the link between obesity and infertility today. If you're obese and you're struggling with fertility, there is an instrument that can help you control this. And this instrument is your weighing machine. That's right. Being overweight or obese can affect a couple's ability to get pregnant. In fact, obesity is a major cause of fertility in Indian women also. Obesity affects infertility by changing the way a woman's body stores some very important hormones which are called as reproductive hormones or sex hormones. Let's look at how it can bring down fertility chances in a woman. Fat cells convert a male hormone known as androstenedione into a female hormone called as estrone. This estrone affects the metabolism of a part of the brain that regulates ovarian and testicular function. So these fat cells can therefore bring down reproductive function. And it's not just the woman's weight that affects fertility. Obese men are also more likely to have low or non-existent sperm count, and this was published way back in 2012. And the correlation between obesity or high BMI and sperm count has been proven many decades ago. This happens for several reasons. Obesity can elevate body temperatures, especially around the scrotum and testis, and it can also lead to hormonal imbalances. Obese men are more likely to have higher estrogen levels combined with lower levels of sperm producing hormones like inhibin B, androgen, etc. This means that these men can have low sperm count, low sperm motility, poor morphology in these sperms, also higher DNA fragmentation. So the DNA inside the sperm's head can also be damaged or fragmented with high body weight in men. So in both women and men, this can cause detrimental effect on reproductive organs, reproductive hormones, bringing down fertility in them. So you should definitely aim at losing weight using that equipment called weighing machine. Of course, it comes from exercise and dieting, and use the weighing machine to check your BMI regularly and keep it in check if you want to improve your fertility. To understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.